I am a fleet manager and my company just started using Frotcom. I have just returned from my first training session. Well, so many features, but actually it seemed really intuitive. I start to see Frotcom as the perfect tool to assist me at my fleet operator role. It's like having a perfect assistant that monitors everything, gives me all the necessary information for the decision-making process, and even makes recommendations. So back to business. I have many tasks in my company and fleet management is only one of them. So the sooner I master Frotcom, the sooner I will have more time for other tasks. Now I will try to remember everything I learned today and share it with you. Let's hope I don't forget anything. The first thing is to log in. I can click the login button in Frotcom's website or go directly to web.frotcom.com. Here I enter the credentials given to me, username and password. So we are in Frotcom now. What we are seeing is the last position mode. This tells us the last known position of each one of our vehicles. In other words, this is their current location. On the left hand sidebar we have all of our vehicles listed. By clicking on one vehicle, Frotcom will automatically show its full path. In other words, it shows us where and how each vehicle traveled during the selected time period. We can also see the ignition, speed and other data that Frotcom collects from the vehicle in a graphical way. Depending on the equipment installed on each vehicle, Frotcom will have more or less information to show. In this example, we can see the vehicle speed, ignition status, fuel level, tachograph, engine RPMs and engine temperature. We can also use the time bar to zoom in on the desired periods. To zoom out again, just click on any location of the time bar. If we right-click on any point of the graph, Frotcom will show you the location on the map where that record was transmitted. Next to the Vehicles tab, there is the Places tab. In Frotcom, a place is representative of a point of interest, such as a company premises, a customer warehouse, a parking place, you name it. It's up to us to create and define the places that we want Frotcom to consider and display. To locate one of our places on the map, we simply click on it. From now on, we can easily find the closest vehicles to this place or calculate the best path, but these are actions that we will tackle later. Now I want to check the alarms. Alarms are useful tools to monitor our fleet. We have several ways to check them, but let me show you the most direct one. In this panel, we can find all the events that triggered already programmed alarms. For instance, Frotcom allows me to create area entrance and exit alarms, overspeed or even idling alarms, which are triggered when the engine is on for a long time and the vehicle is not in motion. You have a big list of them. Apart from the alarms that are shown here, we can also set up Frotcom so that we are warned in real time, both via mail or SMS, if a particular alarm is triggered. Now, if we need to access information to help us analyze the performance of our fleet over a certain time period, all we need is the report section. We can generate several types of reports. My favorite is the daily summary report. We can even set up Frotcom so that we receive the reports we wish periodically via email. So this is what I learned in my first training session. I'm eager for the second one. Don't miss it as well. Thanks for watching.